it's Brianna Carly, and I am back with another video. I am going to be trying on a wig that I purchased from online. It's this. It's by Sensational. It's Shear Muse, and the wig's name is Lachan, or whatever, Lachan, and the color is Mint Frost. Basically, synthetic wigs, when I'm trying to do a wild color, is my go-to because, you know, nobody has the money to constantly buy 613 hair to dye it a wild color, especially if it's a color that's just like a one-time thing, or, you know, just for photos here and there. And just if you just want to test out a color, you don't want to, you know, spend all this money on bundles to end up not liking the color anyway. So when I want to try something different, synthetic wigs are my go-to. I purchased this wig off of samsbeauty.com. It's like a beauty supply store online. I also purchased this exact same wig in like a baby pink color. I will be doing a video on that one soon. It says salon inspired cut and color, ear to ear lace, includes baby hair. First off, you don't have to say anything else. As long as it has that baby hair, I want it. I'm no beautician, but I know how to swoop my baby hairs and pluck my part a little bit to my liking. So with that being said, let's start on this customization. I haven't gotten my wig stand up, but I'm just going to take it out of the box. You guys, if you're on this video, you typically know how a synthetic wig comes in the box. So I'm just taking this all out. So I took this out of the packaging. It's really soft and it's, you know, moving. I don't know if it's because it's color. There's a few strands coming out here and there, you know, I mean, yeah, it's a lot going on. There's the part, which if you want to pluck it some more, I might just leave it alone. And those are the baby hairs. That's the inside. And then after finishing all of that, this is what we come out with. I was able to get it to lay flat. I will work on it later, but this is how this wig looks. It's straight, it's soft, fingers flow through it. It moves, so it'll blow in the wind. And honestly, I don't know if I will go outside with this or whatever, but see, it served its purpose. I will take a ton of pictures with it. And that's why I don't need to spend a ton of money trying to get dyed bundles when I can just spend, you know, $30 on a synthetic piece to get the job done, and I'll probably never wear it again. This choice is definitely easy on your pockets, I can tell you that. So I say check these wigs out. And they come in these colors, all of these colors. So you can actually have some fun with this type of wig if you're into trying different colors. And like I said, this wig will, you know, do its job when I take a bunch of pictures, thirst traps, and, you know, those pictures that make you think I could pull off every hair color. I'm gonna include some. But thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.